Small farm, big biosecurity. No reason to think small when it comes to the health and productivity of your cattle. Keep your pens and trailers clean. Use clean tools, hands, outerwear, and boots, and don't share equipment with other producers. Good health begins with good nutrition. Using good quality feed and hay, storing it properly, and providing clean water will go a long way in keeping your animals healthy. Talk to your veterinarian about a herd health program for simple preventative steps that can keep your cattle healthy and productive. Disease often enters a herd through a purchased addition or animals returning home. So keep new or returning animals in an isolation pen separate from the rest of the herd for 21 to 30 days. Maintain separate, dedicated supplies and equipment to use in sick pens or with your new or returning cattle. Maintain a separate isolation area for sick animals. Feeding and caring for your sick animals last. Know the health status and biosecurity practices of the herds where you buy new animals, semen, embryos, milk, or colostrum. Have a plan that meets GDA rules for the proper disposal of animals that die on your farm, since improper disposal can cause disease in your animals. Only apply manure that has been composted for at least 1 year to your pastures to avoid disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Record the movement of cattle, people, equipment, and vehicles on and off your property, and use individual electronic identification in your animals to make it easier. You should know movement requirements for your cattle if they're moving through a sale or over state lines. Do you know who has access to your cattle? Keep fences and enclosures in good repair to keep your cattle in and other animals and visitors out. All new deliveries, arrivals, and guests should enter through a common point of entry onto your premises. Post signs with biosecurity information and have visitors park in areas away from your animals. Consider becoming Beef Quality Assurance certified and designate one person to oversee all your biosecurity actions. Every farm is unique, so tailor your plan to match your operation, and you'll keep your cattle healthy for generations to come. All it takes is good biosecurity.